Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about classification of enzymes. Classification of enzymes, old method and new method. Now we will discuss about old method. By using this method, the enzymes are named by adding suffix "ase" to the name of the substrate. Easy. Lipase, hydrolysing the fats, cellulase, hydrolysing the cellulase. Esterases, it is the group of enzymes that hydrolyzed the lipids, e.g. lipase. It is separate in pancreatic juice of animals and human body and oily seeds. Lipase hydrolyzes the fat molecules of fatty acids and glycerine. Amidases, there are the enzymes that are present in liver and intestinal mucosa, e.g. arginases. It converts arginine or ureases. It is found in liver cells and soybean seeds. It converts urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. Number 3, nucleus. Nucleus, these are the group of enzymes that act on the nucleotides. For example, ribonucleases RNA, deoxyribonucleases DNA. Carbohydrates. This class is named after those enzymes that can catalyze breakdown of sugar molecules in a biological reaction. Sucrases, it is present in yeast and intestinal juice. It causes hydrolysis of sources sucrose into glucose and fructose. Maltase, it is also present in intestinal juice. It converts maltose to glucose. Proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes are the protein digestive enzymes. These enzymes catalyze the protein breakdown reactions. Pepsin, it is found in gastric juice of animals. It digests the protein by converting them into peptides and peptone. Renine, it is a milk coagulating enzyme found in the mucous member of fresh stomachs of mammals. It curdles protein of milk. Now we will discuss about a new method. This method is also known as IEC method, International Enzymes Commission. In a new method, The fundamental principles of giving the means to the enzymes are their basic function in addition of ASE. Dehydrogenase, it is an enzyme that acts on the substrates and remove their hydrogen molecule. Oxidase, it can enzyme that catalyzes the oxidation reaction without any regard of the substrate. Hydrolysis, these are the enzymes that boost up the speed of the hydrolysis reaction without any regard of substrate. Ligase or synthetase, it is an enzyme that promotes or boosts up the speed of reactions in which new bonds are formed with the cleavage of ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. I hope that you will understand this method, old method and new method. Kindly tell me in comment about my video. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.